You check your 401k during lunch. The market's down again. CNBC calls it healthy volatility. Twitter says the game is rigged. And somewhere between your rent going up, groceries costing more, and your index fund doing absolutely nothing, you start wondering if this whole thing was designed for someone else. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Wall Street isn't one market. It's 6 different games happening at the same time. And most regular people are stuck playing the slowest one with the worst odds. Right now, Americans have more money in the market than ever before. According to the Federal Reserve, over $40 trillion sits inside retirement accounts. Most of it is automated. Most of it trusts that time in the market will fix everything. At the same time, crashes are faster. Recoveries feel uneven. And volatility shows up out of nowhere. That's not random. That's structure. The first group moving markets is pension funds, teachers, firefighters, state workers. In the U.S., pension funds manage more than $30 trillion. They don't care about today's headline. They're planning for someone retiring in 2045. They rebalance slowly. They buy consistently. And when the market drops 2% in a day, it's usually not them selling. They're too big and too slow to react that fast. Next are mutual funds and asset managers. Vanguard, Fidelity, BlackRock. If you have a 401k, you're already here. They talk long-term, but they're judged quarterly. Underperform the S&P. Too long and money leaves. Money leaves, careers end. So they crowd into the same stocks. Not because they're brilliant, because it's safer to be wrong together than right alone. That's why bubbles don't form quietly. They form with everyone watching and no one wanting to step out first. Then come hedge funds. Fewer players, but way more leverage. Many hedge funds borrow multiple dollars for every dollar they actually own. The Federal Reserve documented this clearly after 2008 and again in 2020. When markets fall fast, hedge funds don't sell because they want to. They sell because margin calls force them to. That's how small drops turn into big crashes. Leverage doesn't just magnify gains. It magnifies mistakes. Then there are high-frequency trading firms. They don't invest in companies. They invest in speed. These firms now account for more than half of all U.S. stock trades. They operate in milliseconds. They add liquidity when things are calm. But when volatility spikes, they pull out instantly. That's exactly what happened during the flash crash when the Dow dropped nearly 1,000 points in minutes. The official report confirmed it. Liquidity vanished and prices fell through empty space. Next are corporate insiders, executives, board members, founders. They're legally allowed to trade under strict rules. And historically, insider buying has outperformed the market, while insider selling has predicted weaker returns. Not because they're geniuses, because they hear bad news in meetings before you hear it on CNBC. Cost pressure, demand slowing, regulatory risk. And finally, there's retail investors, regular people, trading on phones, checking apps between meetings. Retail now makes up roughly 25% of U.S. trading volume. That sounds powerful, but behavioral finance research shows retail consistently buys late and sells early. Not because people are stupid, because loss hurts more than gain feels good. And fear travels faster than logic. So when people say the market is efficient, here's what they really mean. It efficiently moves money from slower, emotional participants to faster, better positioned ones. Every group is acting rationally for their incentives. But those incentives are not aligned with yours. You're investing for stability. They're managing leverage, benchmarks, bonuses, and milliseconds. The real question isn't whether stocks go up next year. It's whether a system built on speed and debt can stay stable while telling regular people to stay calm. Because history shows one thing very clearly: when stress hits, the fastest players leave first, and everyone else finds out after.